It's the end of the day and we need to send out some gifts. Sorry. And we need to get started. Say hi.
Hi.
So we're going to do some gift wrapping and we want to get some comments. We're sending out some trial. Let me see, who do I want to start with? You finished?
Okay.
So what color is this?
Orange.
Orange. Good job. What color?
Blue.
Blue. Good job. What color is this? Purple.
Square.
Square. What color is it?
Square.
It is a square. Good job. What color?
Yellow.
Yellow. So smart. What color is this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4.
Four.
Just 4 sides. So smart. What color is this one?
Pink.
Pink. Good job. What color is this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That has a lot of sides. You said 7. What color is this? Star. What color is it?
Pink.
The star. What color is the star? So I have a comment card enclosed, and I also have a tag, how it began. I'm trying to see if I'm doing the tags. In my mind, I wanted to wrap it differently, but it didn't come out like that. So you have to let me give her some more water. So what we're doing is sending out our test group. So we're launching to our test group. So I have some for Keisha Anderson and her girls. I did the same colors, the purple and turquoise, and I did 2 hair bands, and then, 2 scrunchie bands, and then 1 headband for the baby. And I found her on YouTube, and the way, I think the tags on the back are so cute, the way I ended up finding out about her is because I was having Mattie, and Mattie, I was having her during COVID, so I wanted to see how that was going to go. And so as time progressed and moved on, she was having her baby, and actually both of our babies were born about a week apart. So anyway, I found her, and I think Keisha Anderson baby, and I don't want to mess up the names. Jory, I don't want to mess up the names. I think she had her baby before or right after. Spit that out. That's why I didn't want you to get that. That is not for you. Right before or right after. And we just ate, and she still want to eat some more. So we're going to wrap this in here for her. And hers is, I would like to have the purple and then the pink. So you have to tell me how the wrapping looks. If that's a winner chicken dinner or not. And then so I'm just going to lay the bows inside. And I'm putting the babies in the middle. And then she has 2 twin girls. 2 fraternal twin girls, and they're around Mae's age. So I actually thought that was amazing. And there you go, Mama. I actually thought that was amazing. And so our girls are both, although she has 3, I have 5 children, she has 3. So I have it in here like this, and then I just easily close it. Like so. And then I believe I forgot how I did the last one. I think I want this inside first. I think I might have had it on the outside, but there is another I need to add. So this is in here. Or I can actually, because I want you to read it. So I could do this and then close it. put the comment card on top. Then the other card I forgot to add. I really like this card. I thought it was going to be shiny. I got this from Vista Print. And it's just where to find them, and thank you. Find them. See, you like that? Pretty. Pretty. And then that's like that. And then I close it. And then I was wanting to take the edges here and tape both ends. I have to hurry up. It's like we just ate dinner, and so now it's like bath time. And then I have these stickers that I think are so cute and adorable. And then I wanted to put the sticker like so. So when they open it, you do have to tear the pretty sticker for the girls, but it's nice. Now what's wrong, Missy? You're trying to get home. Mama gave you the animals, even though you're not going to do right. Here's the book. Brown Bear.
Brown
The brown bear?
Okay.
And so she does suck her thumb. My only child that sucked the thumb, and she's the baby. So I have this for him, her, them, the three girls. And then I think I'm going to put it in the bigger box, a bag. So when I initially did it, I only was going to do the bags and the bows. And I said, no, they might bend or something may happen. So I decided to just incorporate both of them. And so I want it to go like this. And so I'm going to wrap it. I do want to make sure nothing's missing. I think everything is in there that I want in there. The comment card, the slip, the thank you. I like the thank you in there, right? And then I'm going to close it up and just make sure that that's ready to go. And that's going to be for Keisha Anderson and the three girls.
Oh.
So I don't want to mess up the girls' names, but I believe Journey is the baby, same ages, around my age as my daughter. My daughter's birthday is July 27th, and then her twins are the same age or around a week or two from my oldest daughter, which is December 14th. I got like a lot of December. My other son, my baby son, is December 6th, so December 14th. And I think the Journey and Jara, I think their birthdays is around that same time. So the bows that I sent her or sent you are the Chosen bow line. And so yes, I have some other bows, but I'm not gonna launch them yet for the girls. These are the cookies. And then we have the Serenity. These are the other ones. But I really love the tags on the back, so you'll have to kind of fill out the comment sheet and let me know. All right. Thank you. So bye-bye. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching Mattie and Mae Bows.